We always get asked this question, and that's why we've done this video. We're going to talk about the best paint for skirting boards to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to painting skirting boards, some people are set in their ways. It is normally split between gloss paint and satin paint. The old schoolers swear by gloss paint when it comes to skirting boards, and the new schoolers opt for a satin finish which complements the bold colours used in today's interiors. At the end of the day, everyone will have their opinion, so there never will be a winner. It will always come down to what the look for the customer is going for within their home. With that, let's get into the finishes that are most common within UK interiors. It boils down to gloss, satin and eggshell skirting board paint finishes. If you choose a gloss finish, you'll be opting for a high sheen finish. It's also renowned for its durability and hard wearing characteristics. This should be considered in high foot traffic areas and homes with young children. However, durability isn't restricted to just gloss paint in this day and age. Advancements in technology has brought hard wearing alternatives to the market. If you're planning on painting old skirting boards with gloss paint, you'll want to make sure they're in good condition beforehand, as gloss may highlight any imperfections underneath the paint. One thing to remember when using gloss paint is to choose a water-based gloss rather than oil-based. This is because oil-based gloss discolours rather quickly, so if you want to keep skirtings looking fresh, you'll be applying another coat before you know it. If you choose a satin finish, you'll be getting a semi-gloss look. It's not as shiny as gloss, but not as matte as an eggshell finish. If you're aiming for a modern and contemporary interior, this would be a much better choice as opposed to gloss, due to a matte finish complementing bold colours. The colours will also look more solid as it doesn't reflect as much as gloss. Some brands of paint have different finishes. You are able to get paint that has a plastic or enamel type finish, which can be useful for hiding imperfections on the skirting. A satin finish gives a clean, crisp look to the skirting boards. It's also easy to maintain and clean. Satin is also well known for its longevity and maintaining the original colour much longer than an oil-based gloss. If you choose an eggshell finish, you'll end up with a matte finish with very little to no sheen whatsoever. Eggshell paint is generally used on larger surfaces, but is becoming popular as a finish for skirting boards. It's good for use within areas that have above average foot traffic, as it is more durable than emulsion and is easily maintained and kept clean. When it comes to painting your skirting boards, and architraves for that matter, we'd recommend opting for satin finish as you get the best of gloss and eggshell. You'll end up with a solid colour to your skirting board, with a slight sheen and a hard wearing finish that suits today's modern interiors and withstands wear and tear well. But don't just take our word for it. In the end, it comes down to personal preference. Remember, it's your home and you have to live in it. Yes, you can. Even though MDF doesn't look like traditional wood, it is manufactured using real wood fibres. If you've purchased MDF skirting boards from us, wood paint will be perfect, as our MDF is manufactured using 100% softwood fibres. However, if you're planning to use a wood stain finish, avoid MDF and opt for pine skirting. And that concludes our video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.